Hello fellow French learners, Jareen from the team at LingQ. So my goal for this year, for 2020, is to become conversational in French. So I have dabbled over the years, but I've never put together a concrete plan and actually gone after French. So this year, to keep myself accountable, I'm going to make a video each week and I'm going to basically journal my progress in learning French on LingQ. So I have a plan, a loose plan. That plan involves 6 months, so January until June, only reading and listening. No speaking at all, no writing even, just intensive listening and reading. I'm going to do 2 hardcore French 90-day challenges back to back. If you have never done a 90-day challenge before, it's really easy to join. You just go to, make sure your language is set, of course, first. You go to community, then challenges, find your challenge, so hardcore is the challenge I'll be doing, and then click join. Easy peasy. Then all you need to do is meet your targets for the 90 days and you've completed the challenge. Now, as the name would suggest, the hardcore challenge is pretty tough. You have to meet targets for listening, reading, links learned. It's really intense, but that's what you need. If you're gonna end up actually speaking the language, you need intense focus, intense study, consistent study, which is something I definitely have not been doing in the past, is actually sticking to a daily habit of language learning. So that is going to change this year. That's the plan anyway. So if your goal is also to learn French or any other language, but I'll be learning French. If your goal is to learn a language in 2020, to become conversational by the end of 2020, then why not join me? Subscribe, join a challenge also. I'll be showing you as the months go by how to import novels, how to learn from Netflix shows and movies, how to make lessons out of YouTube videos. I'll eventually be speaking to tutors on LingQ, so I will share with you how that's going too. And then the goal is at the end of the year, the end of 2020, to record my final video in just French. I'm scared, but I think I could do it. I know I could do it, so join me.